Welcome back. In this session, we're going to see another operator, which is multiplication or multiply. Say multiply, which is basically denoted as asterisk or star. So let's go to our example. And let's try to take the same two variables, which are our favorite variables now. We are A, we are B, we are result, and then let's assign some values. Assign 100, and let's another value is, let's say 6, and to start with, let's say 0, right? So, echo multiply example, we are result equal to, we are A into we are B, means I'm trying to multiply 100 into 6, it should be 600, right? So I'll say echo the result, I want to display result, we are result, and the value should be 600, right? So let's save this and then execute this example and see what result we are going to get it. So we executed that. So we have a variable A value is 100 and then B value is 6, which is 600, right? So we can beautify a little bit more, and then we can provide the same example with say the way we have our previous output depiction, which is like this, right? So we can just take this and then copy, come down, and let's paste it. So we have same example, which is multiply. We could do the same implementation, take the value and provide some decimal values. I'm going to say 5, and then I'm going to say 0.6, and then we'll see the result, right? Example with value, decimal values. So let's save and run, and we'll see both examples. So I meant to say without decimal value, and let's save, go back and run, and you should get 2. So the first one is multiply without decimal. The first variable value is 6 and 100, and 6, the multiplied value is 600. The second one is with decimal. The values are 10.5, 5, and then 6.66. The value resulted value is 69.63. Let's take the same example and then see if we can perform what is the result if I have multiply and then I do it with a string. I'll say hello, and then I'll say world, and I'll say multiply, right? Which is hello into world multiply, and then these are all the same values. Let's see what the result is. And the value is again NaN. By now you should be knowing it is not a numeric number or numeric value, so your result is not a numeric value, right? So the operation cannot be performed. So this is an example of multiplication. This finishes our multiplication example. We'll see division in our next session. Thank you for watching.